My name is Maura Cohan. I work at OWP&P Architects in Chicago, Illinois, and I've been a color materials specialist for the firm for 10 years. I graduated from University of North Texas in Denton in 1986, so I've been an interior designer for over 20 years now. My role here as a color materials specialist is to help all the designers and architects with their current projects. So I could do anything from selecting color palettes and furniture to writing specifications for materials, doing cost analysis, comparing products, recommending the best product for different applications and installations. So I have a wide range of responsibility. Besides that, I run the interiors library, which includes having the reps come in, showing me new products, making sure that all the designers and architects know about the products. Down at this end of the library, we have all the catalogs for materials, and they are formatted. They are organized by the CS according to the CSI format. It's universal. Every library in every city in the world uses this format to organize their catalogs. So these are all the books. Architects and interior designers use them. So there's only a few rows of these because now all these catalogs are on the internet. The rest of the entire library is all the materials and samples. And basically how we organize is we will have one row of all carpet, one row of all hard surface flooring, one row of all textile, one row of furniture. We have the furniture separated from the other catalogs. So these are all the furniture catalogs and their finishes, and then one row of vertical finishes. Vertical finishes would be wall covering, paint, anything that can go on a vertical surface. So it makes things a little bit easier for the designers to find when it's well organized. My favorite part about my job is the color materials part of it. This board right here is a color forecast for 2008-2009, and I participated in a meeting with the local Chicago interior designers and resource and color specialists as myself, and we all had to pull colors that we are currently using and colors that we think we'll be using in the future. And they also did the same thing in New York, Los Angeles, and Seattle. The results are posted here. This is New York, Los Angeles, Seattle. Chicago I intermixed in with our color story over here, but you can see how similar, the similarities and the differences between the different cities. And then this part right here, we bought a fashion magazine because fashion is where interiors gets their colors from. These are all just pictures from fashion magazines, and then we put up the samples that correspond with the colors that are shown in the fashion magazine and show the similarities, as well as the results of the color forecast group that we participated in.